Physics. It's the bomb, yo.
If you heard the term physics, what would be the first thing that would come to your mind?
Physics? Could that be a kind of fruit? Oh, maybe it's the Latin species name for the mongoose.
No, Zachary. Physics is the study of the interaction between matter and energy.
Matter? What's that? And why does it matter?
Good one, Zachary. Everything is matter. Your desk, the paper you write on, even you are considered matter.
Well, that makes sense. But how does it relate to energy? Is that the stuff I'm missing when I feel tired?
Yes, it is. At least that's one form of energy. There are two main types of energy: kinetic and potential. Kinetic is what causes a piece of matter to move. Potential is stored energy. Potential energy can be converted to kinetic energy.
Whoa, slow it down, please. I already feel like I know so much about physics.
Well, there's much more to physics than just the definition, Zachary. We've already covered energy, but we also have to cover momentum,
tension, forces, friction.
Side effects may include drowsiness, constipation, upset stomach, and also bodily functions.
Golly gee, how do you learn all of that? It sure sounds like a lot of work.
It is, but it's worth it if you care enough about understanding how things work. Let's start with motion. Have you ever heard of velocity?
Speed? Of course.
Well, velocity is the change in distance over time. The change in velocity over time is acceleration, which is measured in meters per second squared.
Wow, that's amazing. Now let's go watch Star Wars.
Well, may the force be with you, Zachary, but not in space we are. Let's move on to forces. Did you know that F equals ma?
Now you're just talking crazy talk.
No, I'm not. The F stands for net force, and ma equals mass times acceleration. Besides net forces, there are many different types of forces. These include
gravitational,
normal,
Wait,
Applied.
and frictional.
friction? What's that?
Friction is the force that exists between two objects in contact. Frictional force equals the normal force times the frictional constant.
I'm kinda tired. Do you have any caffeine pills?
Hold on there, Zachary. Instead of resorting to drug abuse, let's learn more about physics. Physics.
Physics. Sorry, I just lost it for a second. Tell me more, Professor.
Now, Zach, have you ever played the game of football?
Why, of course. Who hasn't played that miraculous sport?
Well, when playing the game of football, you not only have to exert frictional force when you catch and hold the football, but you also contain a great deal of momentum when you tackle an opposing player.
Blue 42! Blue 42! Hut! Hike!
Momentum equals mass times velocity, and the total momentum in the system must be conserved, even if the kinetic energy does not have to be.
Oh, your knowledge of physics is dizzying.
Zach, your dizziness brings me to my last topic, rotation. Rotational motion involves many factors. Angular velocity, the speed at which an object rotates. Angular acceleration, the rate of an object's angular velocity. Rotational inertia, the resistance of an object to rotational motion. And finally, torque, or in Espanol, torque, or the force applied to rotate an object.
Woo-wee, that's a lot to stomach. I really do love learning about the concepts of physics, but when do I actually get to see it in motion?
Good question, Zach. Physics is fun because it can be applied in the classroom and in the real world. Here's a demonstration of physics in the classroom. And here's a demonstration in real life. That's right, Zachary. So remember, if you are interested in anything I mentioned or showed to you today, please consider AP Physics for your junior or senior course. Because as Zach now knows, physics is splendid.
Physics sure is fantastic.
No, it's splendid.
But it's fantastic.
I said it's splendid! And so we here at Physics University would be delighted if you would matriculate here next year. See you soon!
See you soon!
See you soon. Bye. Well, we're not even going to include drowsiness conservation. wait. Subjects may include drowsiness conservation of system, which is fuck. Well, velocity is the change